ang inyong nalakbay.
Nakalimutan.
Hindi ba ninyo alam na ang Panginoon ay isang dakilang hari? Marapat na ang kanyang pangalan ay igalang sa lahat ng mga bansa.
Mordecai, go gather all the Jews who are in Susan and fast for them. Do not eat or drink for 3 days. I and my maids will fast as you do. When this is done, I will go to the king, even though it is against the law. And if I perish, I perish. Mordecai, we have found favor from God, the king, Haman's greed for power and wealth. Hand of God.
Nakalimutan.
I deal with money, with faith, in every single life. For the choices I made and the faith I embrace. I was born in Moab, a land far from their skylights. My life was mirrored by the beliefs and traditions of my people. However, my life changed when my husband died. I am making clothes for the needy. I am doing my best that I could to use the
That is love.
Sana nga hindi
Pag natapos na si Jeremy, katay ba?
That leads God to judge people when they love other gods and oppress each other.
Panalo.
But also,
Parang naging mahirap yan.
God is
Okay, did you know that isa ako na ate, you are so you should
of the other side of judgment.
You should make a good example to the future.
Meron pa siya, anak.
Carry the burden of everybody's anybody's own. I realize I knew this love was always bigger than the purpose and joy. I watched as he struck me. Please don't tell them that you saw me. They know this time and I will probably be taken away. But I have to be by myself for a few minutes. Joseph will be gone, and I will no longer see him. You see, I named him. As soon as he was born, my father brought him up and said that he was the one, and I was the one who should name him. So I decided to name him Joseph. It is Hebrew, a name that meant peace, and a name that also meant prayer. You see, my mother, she was always been weak. So I was the one who would carry Joseph in the back as we worked in the fields. My brother Aaron helped sometimes, but he was as busy as my father. And my mother didn't have time to change, nor to comfort him when he cried. I suppose we're going to be like this forever, huh? Working in the fields, making bricks for the Egyptian houses. If only Oh, and Hamato. My God is the true, living God. I am David, the one who fought and killed Goliath. I am brave and strong, but my father and brother thinks that I am weak. I am the type of person who likes to have everything enjoy keeping up in household chores, the cooking, the cleaning. Some may call me overly particular, but I like everything to be perfect. I recall once when you visited, you gently reprimanded me for worrying and fretting too much.
May gusto gawin yung
Flower of harmony, long, vine, bloom Eden, Candwell of heaven, whoever dies wearing this happy love will never suffer eternal fire. My name is Mary Magdalene. My name Mary was from my grandmother. Some people kidded me about being Mary. I grew up in Magdalene. It was a small town not too far from Ghana. I have been called many here.
Hello everyone, my name is David. I live in Benguela, far from my home, but I still remain faithful in God. I held the peace to understand the important word of God. Many people don't want me to worship God.
In my arms are promises. In front of me is a newborn child, and inside my heart is the Messiah. I am King Gaspar. One night, in the broadness of the sky, there was a light shining so bright, a light that powered
40. Now, let us all welcome candidate number 15 from grade 8 Solar, Salmon of Solar.
Habang ako'y naglalakad sa kalsada, may narinig ako. Kaguluhan baga, mga sigaw, mga iyak, puno ng puot, pighati. Hindi ko alam ang nangyayari. Nakita ko ang mga tao, nagkakagulo. Ang kanilang mga mukay puno ng galit at pamumutya. At doon ko siya nakita, isang lalaki, bugbog at duguan. Hindi ko alam kung sino siya, pero may kakaiba sa kanyang mga mata. Nalaman ko kalaunan na ang pangalan niya ay Jesus. Jesus? Sino ba si Jesus? Anong ginawa niya para maranasan ang ganito? Ngunit naunawaan ko, wala siyang ginawang masama. Nang ako'y makabalik, tila'y hindi na ako ang dating ako. Alam kong may mangyayaring malalim na magpapabago hindi lamang sa akin, kundi pati sa buong mundo. Ako si Simon ng Sirig, ang taong nagbitbit ng krus para kay Jesus.
Thank you. Oh Lord of hosts, hear my cry. In my despair, I sought your face, praying silently for a child and promising to dedicate him to you. You remember me, blessed me, and granted my heart's desire. Now, with a grateful 7 courage, Sponges Fire. I, Pontius Pilate, procurator of the Roman province of Judea, a servant of my Lord, the Emperor